Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, this time we have a Lucas Graham song called Scars. And this one is a little bit special because we had one viewer here who requested this song. So I thought, yeah, why not? And I actually never heard this song before, so it was first time for me. And I'm glad I found it through you. It's a great song. It's a song with a message, and it's a bit difficult to just play with one guitar because it's a song which builds up in different layers. So this is my take on this song. It's a great song. It's very easy actually because it's only based on 3 different chords. And we go through the chords and then we go through the different patterns that I use to make this song as large as I can with just one guitar. So let's start with the chords. And the chords are C, and then E minor, and D. So 3 chords, and the chord progression is the same through the whole song. So it's C, E minor, D, and E minor. And this goes round and round. So C, E minor, D, E minor, and C, and over again. So, as I told you guys before, this song builds up in a great way. So for the verse, you can kind of count to 8 when you play this song. And there's a melody going on in the background, which is like this. So this one goes into the chord. So I've built in this little melody into the chord. So it's C here. You have the note down here. And then on the E minor, you hit this one note here. And D, you hit the note here. So you get the melody with this. And back to E minor. You hit the melody here with your pinky, and back to C, where the melody is on the open E string here. So. And what I do when I take the E minor, I go to the E minor, which is this standard E minor, and I just hit my pinky down here on the 3rd fret E string here on the bottom. So 3rd fret E string, I hit the note there, and here it's just a standard D where I hit the note here. So the only different modification here is with the E minor, where I need to add this one. So. And as I told you before, I count to 8, so it will be like, if we go slowly, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th, you hit the E minor with this note. So you count 5, 6, 7, 8, and on to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th again, we go back to E minor. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back to C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 5, 6, 7, 8. And D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the fifth we come to E minor. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's a full round there. So slowly it will sound like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you got it. And if you notice here, I'm hammering this bass mostly, and sometimes I hit the lower strings here, the E especially, because the melody is there, and I hit it like in a pattern. So on the first, I hit this full chord like this, full stroke, and on the fifth, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and so on. So on the one, on the fifth, I hit this melodies down there. So this is the way I'm playing, and I would play if I would play for other people. And this goes for the verse and the pre-chorus. So it's the same there. When we come to the chorus, we have this beat more pronounced in the chorus. So I like to switch up the strumming pattern there and add some like a clap there. So it will sound like this. So down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, pause, down. So on my up there, I'm just like hit the bottom two strings, so E and B kind of, and I clap directly after. So down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, pause, down. And then how do I go to the switch from C to E minor? Yeah, it's like down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, and just one stroke with the E minor. And the same here, I add this one because we want the melody to be built in. So one more time, from C to E minor, it's down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, E minor. From E minor, you just do the same with the D as you did with the C. Down, up, clap, down, pause, down, up, clap, down, E minor, down, up, clap, down, pause, down. So that's for the chorus. And as I told you before, this one you can really like build in a lot of things into it. And if you have like two guitars, if you and your friend plays together, it will be a perfect matchup, because one could play different stuff. You can play together really great in this song. But now we are only one guitar, and therefore I have an alternative to the chorus, and this one is very airy, so to speak, so it rings out a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. It's actually pretty easy. It's built on the same way as when we counted to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this way. The only thing is we're gonna hold a different grip here. So we are kind of playing the C like this. So if you have your index finger on the 3rd fret A string and your long finger on the 5th fret D string and your ring finger on the 5th fret B string. So A string here, D string here, and B string here. And then you play it all. So you hear it's a lot of open strings, or yeah, the G and the E string is open, and it adds so much air to it. So great sound in the song. So this is the C part. So in the same way here, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th we switch it up to E minor, and in this case you just add one note here to get the E minor feeling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you switch up. So and this we do to once and again get the melody. So this is the melody going on, and from this grip you just go up 2 steps, so 2 frets up, the same grip here. So you are here with the index finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, A string, and on the 7th fret on the D string, and on the 7th fret B string. So from here to here. And this is equivalent with the D chord. This is the D note here. So the same here, you count to 8, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th we switch up to the E minor again, which here comes on this note to get the melody here. And here you can play the full stroke, not only these strings. You can play with all the strings to really get this E note here for the E minor chord. And here you land on the 5th, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back again to the C here. So slowly all together it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So in a context it will sound like this. and so on. So this is my take on this great song, and I really appreciate your comments when you leave it like this. It makes me to open my eyes to new music that I perhaps wouldn't hear if I wouldn't have you. So really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you enjoy this one, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and it would help me to go on with this project in this channel. Or otherwise, you can just leave a comment if you like this or not. I'm open to every feedback, so don't be afraid to interact with me. So that was pretty much it. And as always, you know it, play tuned.